Hello and welcome to another oil change do-it-yourself. Today we are gonna do a Ford Escape SE EcoBoost 4-wheel drive 2017. As I mentioned, is the Ford SAE 5W20 ultimate durability, full synthetic, blah blah blah. This ultra synthetic frame is optimized. This filter is optimized for this. This is the XG3614 frame, about $9 at Walmart. $9, and this is about what, $19. Okay, this is all we need, and the usual tools. We're gonna use the usual tools. We're gonna lift it a little bit. Okay, let's start with the basic. Let's remove this. I always do this. I always take this out too. I'm just gonna leave it here just in case. But I think I'm ready to go. I don't know if I should put a shade. I'm gonna put a shade. There's gonna be some spilling, okay? All right, let's go underneath. Yeah, the oil filter is somewhere over here, so only access is through here. So I have to remove this. I think I have for the what is it called, Carter, where the oil comes off, is through here. So I'm gonna remove the whole thing. No está tan apretado. Uy, perdón. Le quitamos el otro. And then we take this other one. Sorry man, I don't know why I start talking in Spanish. What is this thing called? I'm holding it with my body right now. It's getting windy. I don't know if my... There you go. Totally forgot about this thing. Leave that alone. All right, so now we see. Let's do filter right there. See it? Right there. So we're gonna stick our hands through here. Okay, oil. This, otherwise I'm showing it. Oil is right here. So I'm gonna put the oil catcher over here, and we're gonna wait until it drains, and then we're gonna do the filter. 13 millimeters. There you go. And this I gotta do it really quick. I'm gonna do it like this. Wait, I know what it is. Ooh, missed it. And I'm gonna just keep moving it. You gotta be like watch it for a little while, because yeah, it's gonna start doing this, and it's gonna drip, and it's gonna spill it all over the place, especially when it's windy like now. Whoa, see, I have to keep moving it. I don't want. right. Done. This is going to be very, very messy. Oil filter holds a lot of oil. I remember the last time I changed it, I tightened it with my hands. Alright, so it should go that way, counterclockwise. So I'm gonna give it a try. So I'm gonna contortion myself into this and try to remove it. Alright. So I don't know if I can show a lot of these or not. Let's see if it works. It's that way. I'm gonna have to bring my tool. I have enough room here to do it, so it's plenty. But before that, let's prime. Let's prepare the filter, because so the way I do, I just open it up and you put a little bit there. Oops. Then you kind of push it in and you seal it like that. Okay, that one is ready. Okay, we're gonna use this. I think it's the right size. What is it? Oil filter wrench or oil filter dies or whatever. It is the 74 millimeter to 76 millimeters. So, all right, let's give it a try. Let's take the stuff that we need with us. I don't want to be coming back. And okay, let's see. Sounds like a bell. Am I? It's not working. I have to let go of the camera for a second. Okay, I expect some spilling, so I'm gonna put the rack here, and I hope this one catches a lot of oil. Oops. All right, and the rest is by hand, and I'm gonna try to, there you go, see? Ugh. Just remove that. More oil. Here you go. More oil. Oh, I need to get another rag. Okay, we're done here. Just a little bit more cleaning. You can see all the spilling. Let's clean it before I put the new filter in there. Let's put the new one. I think it's a line. Oops, it was a line. I hope you can see it. There you go. It's going in. looks like there's no room for you to do the work, but actually there is. Okay, we got that in there. Let's do more cleaning. Remember all these rags? You gotta throw them away. That's it. Unless you want to have some very nice oily rags. Whoa. If you see some smoke coming from your engine, it's because of these. This could be one of the reasons. So please don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. All right, let's use the tool, the socket or whatever, and finish tightening this up. Right, I'm gonna clean all this up, and I'm gonna show you when it's done. Just put that thing back. What we call those in Spanish, tolvas. Okay, those things that protect the underneath. We call them tolvas in Spanish. I don't know what it's called. Cover, I guess. A cover underneath, a bottom cover, something like that. The thing, the big thing right there. Okay, down there is already done. Let's do this part, the refilling. That's not enough space, but let's do it carefully. There you go. Probably you will need a funnel with a longer neck, but this is okay. But this is fine. About usually doesn't take all of it, but I'm gonna check the levels in a minute. I need to. Let's try it. I think we're good. I'm gonna put just a little bit more, and we'll call it a day. And okay, so this part is done. Let's reset now. In Spanish, it says right there, "Se necesita cambiar el aceite," which means you need to change the oil. Okay, so what you do, first turn on the ignition and press and hold the brake and gas pedal, and we wait for the message to go away. Let's do it. I don't know if I need to. Let's try it again. Oh, it's killing me. All right. Turn on. Has a lot of message, so I'm gonna go quit out of them. Okay, you need to change the oil in Spanish. Low pressure. Okay, now I got it on, and I gotta depress the brakes and the gas pedal. All right, let's do that. Service oil reset in progress. I don't know, should I let go? Let's let go. Oh. Let's do it again. It says that message. I don't know if I should keep it depressed until something else happens. Well, it seems like it says it's in progress. Let's just keep everything depressed. Complete. All right, we can let go and we're done. All right, so finally we're finished. Now you can go ahead and please subscribe, Yeah, like, share, enable notifications. Thank you.